Another great day here at Rocket Plumbing. Safety first. That's what the glasses are for. Ready? We're going to be jackhammering this up. Put in a drain so that this ice maker will work. Okay, now that we got the safety portion of this taken care of, this will be the end result over at the other one, although we're going to have to run it longer. So we're going to set this right there, and we're going to pour the concrete and slope it down to this drain. After it's concreted in, obviously it won't move. And then we're going to run water lines out of here down, and we have to keep an air gap above it for commercial code, and that'll drip down into here and then go out into the sewer. And folks, that's how you do it. Alright, now we got to run a water line to this ice maker. It's not really that far, only like 250 feet. Gonna have to come all the way from up on the ceiling and across the whole warehouse over half the way there. Can you see me? I'm way over here. The giant warehouse. Way up there, as you can see, the white insulated line is the water line. And we have to run that over the ice maker, which you can hardly see from here. It's a little dot. We need to zoom in, it's so big. Oh, the warehouse is huge, so we got to make a 200-foot run to give that thing water so they can have nice cold drinks in the summer. It's another great day here at Rocket Plumbing. You know who this is again, Steve. I'm going to show you how we're going to line these pipes up for the drain to come out right in the center of the new ice. So, got our pipe holes dug. We're going outside. This part's deeper because we're going to be putting the trap in there. Just going to set down here. And we're going to put these pipes in the drain. And we're going to put them right on these marks so that everything stays nice and lined up. We're going to make another double check with our height. Now here's our concrete height, and we're going to need our drain to be below this line. So we haven't glued it on yet, so we're going to get some glue height out of that, and we also have adjustment here for fine tuning. So right now we're going to glue these and start assembling this. We're not going to prime it, we're going to use Fusion, the best, I think. No prime. That way, when you're done, there is no crime. That's where we want it to go. Mark the mark. Yeah. Get these lined up. Alright, so again, we're going to glue this joint. Put some in the elbow. Some on the pipe. As you can see, it takes that right off because it's got a primer in it. Takes that mark right off if you want. Get these lined up, mark them mark and put it in, hold it for a couple seconds. Okay, yeah, you want to go out and double check that outside. Make sure we're lined up good outside.
All right, that's it right there.
Yeah, we got one more glue. And we're just using a regular shower drain here for a floor drain. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. It's just going to be having ice cold water come out, fill up that trap in the floor, run out and go outside. That's the way the customer wanted it. We can't go to the main because it's very, very far away, and it's not sewage or anything like that. It's clean water. The reason it has a trap is to make sure it doesn't freeze in the winter time, and it's going to work year round for them. So now we're glued, and we can see we're a little high, and we have this adjustment right here that we can screw down after we pour the concrete and bring it below the concrete height. Down a little more, which is going to bring the concrete a little tapered in case any water actually does not go in the drain. We're going to position our drain pipe right over this grate so it'll drip directly in, but we're going to have that little bit of extra slope from cushion. So we're going to straighten these up where we want them, and we got to tighten that joint down there. So we got to be about 15 inches off of this. Do the center. We're at 17, which is okay. We'll just make this pipe a little longer. We're going to be 30 inches here, so we want to be about center mark here at 15, which would be the center, which is right there. So the unit's going to sit from here to here. So got plenty of play in there. Does not have to be exact for this type of situation. Got slope on the pipe, down and out. Everything's good to go. We'll tighten this up, start mixing our concrete. Alright, before you pour this, concrete does not want to stick to a dry surface. Always wet down the adjacent surface. Alright, let's check on the other guys, see how they set this one, check their height. Whoop. Well, might be alright, let's check. Man, that's right there, looks pretty good. Got got the adjustment. Yep, we got the adjustment. Look at that. Oh. See that? The other crew does know what they're doing. Now we gotta pour it.
There it is, all hooked up. Got the vents. Drain line. Open vent. It's number 3 ready to go. Alright. We're going to be running this filter and ice machines. Remember all the way up there, all 100 feet. Alright, gotta cut this bad boy